Sanford Gar here, Peak Performance Consultant and Transformational Coach. Join me tomorrow for the webinar Leadership in Times of Crisis series, where for the past 5 weeks we've actually been covering how to become mentally fit, emotionally fit, how to build emotional fitness, how to deal with worry, fear, anxiety, panic attacks, not only your emotions, other people's emotions during these times, how to be productive during these times, how to build an execution plan that is effective right now so that you're able to navigate through these tough times and come out on top, how to build emotional fitness to actually cope through these tough times so that you have a body that's actually very resilient, strong, and can cope with the pressures and demands that we're actually going through in these tough times right now. Tomorrow, for the last session, we're going to talk about how to build financial fitness. What is the difference between rich people versus people that are not rich? Okay, how do they think? How do they behave? What do these people do different than the rest of the world? Why do some people struggle with money and versus people that don't actually struggle with money? How to make money during these times. There are people right now that are making more money than ever. What to focus on in these tough times that we're going through right now. How to remove these barriers that stop you and get in the way of actually achieving stability and financial freedom. Okay, this is what we're actually going to share. So go on the link below, put in your information, and it's going to give you the access to the webinar tomorrow, Dubai, 4 p.m. I look forward to seeing you there. There's going to be a lot of value. Please don't miss out. This is for free. This is completely free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. But after tomorrow, I'm going to start actually charging for that membership. So if you join us tomorrow, you'll get a free lifetime access to that membership, where I told you I talk about mental fitness, emotional fitness, how to create an execution plan during these tough times, how to build physical strength, how to build financial fitness. All of that information is for free for you if you join us tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you there tomorrow. Stay safe and God bless.